Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Vauxhall Movano. Now of course this is the long wheelbase model and it is the F3500. You get your LED daytime running lights. You then also get these steel alloy wheels, which of course are an 16-inch. Now of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the condition of the steel alloys. But coming into the side now, as you can see, you have got plenty of room inside the back of the van. If I am correct, I'm 6 foot and I can stand up straight in the back of this van, meaning you do have probably too much room, but of course for some people it can come in quite useful. Coming around to the rear, it is a Turbo D, and then of course you have the split opening rear doors. As you can see again, you can take the latch off just here, so once you pull it forward you can just simply unhook and the door will go straight round like so. And then same for the other side, but it is revealing the sheer amount of space that you do actually get. Coming around again and going into the rear alloy here. Into the cab now, you do have full cloth black 3 seats across the front of the cab. Then of course we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your air conditioning controls with your eco control, terrain control, central locking and hazard button. It has had a stereo fitted, so you do get your DAB, your FM, AM and a Bluetooth audio by the looks of it. You get your automatic headlights and your automatic windscreen wipers, and of course this van has done 40,500 miles. Jumping back outside the van now, showing you the last steel alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Movano, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.